Alright. First fish. Little chubby. Little chub. I didn't even swim it either. Just let it sit. Alright, little chub. That's a big fish for this little tiny spot. Look at him, he's just sitting. I bet you can see him on the GoPro. He's literally just sitting there. That's crazy.
Yeah, South Carolina has a angler team.
Oh,
Dude,
you gonna try?
Hell yeah.
I mean, I was gonna say, it's not that hard because there's probably not a lot of people that really like take it as...
I mean, down in the South, I'm sure.
Oh.
It's SEC, I'm sure it's competitive.
Look.
It's a club, though.
Oh my. Ate it again. I'm not even swimming it. Just letting it sink.
They like me, and now they like you.
Oh.
That boy.
Got him.
He's a big guy. You kill hooked his head.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Not a bad size. It's just not the right kind of fish.
Yeah, wrong kind. Wrong species. Good start. I didn't catch one here last time. Okay, you remember how I said these hooks aren't sharp? Up, man down. Man down. I got him. Alright, release of this beautiful little chub. That's a pretty big chub for this though. The best part is you can probably see them because it's so clear. I don't think there's anything larger in here, is it now? God, if they're hitting this good right now, imagine how there's trout up there in that 5-foot deep hole should be killing it. Usually these chubs won't hit this bait. If they do, they won't hit it real hard. Probably because how clear this water was. Water was real muddy last time. Alright, back here. I had a nice brown trout. It's kind of scary. Oh, perfect hook set. Oh, hey, oh. Please no. Trouble hooks and me.
What a pissed off fish.
Yeah, a fish does not want to be hooked right now. No, not a good combination. Oh wow, that popped right out. Well, hey, 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 hey. I'm releasing you. Relax. I'm not gonna eat you. You're not gill hooked or anything. Nice little. Hold on. Let me turn the camera. Nice little brownie. I think he's stocked because of the red fin. I don't know. Beautiful little brown. They're releasing on slow. Oh! There's a hole. Hey, 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 hey.
If you were winning right there.
What?
Yeah, I said if you were winning right there.
Would have not been funny. Alright. See this little brownie swim away. Adios, muchachos. Go. Sayonara. Adios. There he goes. Alright. Back to you guys with some more fish. Those trout are always more aggressive than any of the creek chubs or anything. Oh, there you go. No way. That was under that rock. So funny, I hooked that trout last week with the same exact bait. Except for this time he didn't get off. Oh! Wow. Something came up and swiped that. Alright guys, back here. We walked up here, me and Wesley, and just found this nice little 8-point that we passed this year. Dead. Sad sight, really. Our herd does not have a lot of bucks. And every year it seems like we find another one. So here's the deep hole I caught the rainbow trout out of last time. We're going to see if we can get another nice little trout Out of here. Oh my. Oh my. Hey, rainbows. I saw 2 of them right away. Oh my. Wow. They're aggressive. Holy. There's 3 of them that are huge. See them clear as day with these glasses on. Oh, they keep swiping at it. They're not getting hooked though. Oh, these little ones chasing in. I think they're a little too smart for us. At least for me. Oh, wow. I hope you guys can see this. We're going to try just as best I can. Because they are everywhere. Throw it up on the bank and just let it fall. This is literally the best way. Yeah, they're real green. They're definitely rainbows. Alright guys, got a little grub on here. See what this produces. Hopefully another big trout, but... Oh. Something hard. That's for sure. Got him. Woo! Heck yeah. Oh no. Please no. Well, we're eating this one. He's gut hooked. See him bleeding? Man, I hate killing these things too. Alright, well. Little bloody one, guys. Sorry about that, but did get the trout. Jesus, dude. Look at my hand. Look at this. Poor guy. Alright, well, we're going to keep this one, so back to you guys when we got another fish. Alright, guys. Got that trout on the stringer. Got another little chubby here. Just had a trout, though. Nice little... Okay. Nice little chub. Quick release. Back to your hole. Alright, one more. One more off the grub. You can do it, Mr. Grub. I believe in you. He's still in there. After this, I'm throwing a frog on. A literal frog. Just found one under a rock, so I'm gonna see if they hit it. I gotta start getting fish on camera. I start getting things on general on camera. I cast and everything. I did get the one trout on camera, I will say. That's one. Alright guys, back. Finally, just got a live crayfish. It's gonna hook him through the tail. This poor little trout. I mean, crayfish, not trout. Alright, here we go. He's going in. Guarantee big old trout eats this. There's a big old trout in the stream right now. He's gonna be wanting to munch on a big crayfish. I don't get why this trout always hang up right here. Oh, I got another one. Oh, he ate my... Oh, yucky. Ew, ew, ew. What is on him? Oh, he's really weird look. It feels weird. I don't know what this thing is. Ooh, he's got all kinds of thorns on him. He ate my crayfish. Come on, man. Party foul. Hey, hey, hey. Relax. Ew, you smell terrible, too. Ew. Look at it. Thorny. Nasty looking. Ow, ow. Okay, that hurt. Alright, well. Hey, whoa. Alright. Gonna end the video on old Thorny Head's note. Not going to water this time. Alright. Say sayonara. Bye-bye. Yes. Alright. Success. 4 creek chubs, 2 trout. Good day. Guys, I know I said I ended the video, but I missed... This is not a brown trout. I'm wrong. This is a brook trout. Which is very rare. See by the tiger striped fins and the white specks. I did not see that at first and saw these orange spots. But yes, this is 100% a native brook trout, but that right there is why we're keeping him. It's going to be a nice little meal. Not going to let him go to waste though. So, alright guys, well, I'll get back to you guys next week with another video. Peace out.